Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from E-Trade account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the E-Trade website. Log into your E-Trade account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Click on the Accounts tab to open a drop-down menu. Select Balances from the drop-down options to view your current account balances. Identify the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, click on the Transfer option found in the Accounts section. Select Withdraw Money or Transfer to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add Bank Account and follow the prompts. Once you select your bank account, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transfer details carefully to ensure accuracy. Click on the Submit button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your withdrawal request has been submitted. Check your email for any notifications regarding the status of your withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take a few days to process, so be patient. You can track the progress of your withdrawal in the Activity section of your account. That's all there is to it. You've successfully initiated a withdrawal from your E-Trade account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.